How is everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a good day. This is a look at the Victorinox Bantam. Bantam is an 84mm knife. It is very slim. Probably one of the thinnest Swiss Army knives you can get. It has a large blade. Your typical spear point. And its next feature, and its only other feature, is the cap lifter, wire stripper, and flathead Phillips, because it's angled, so it's pretty cool that way. You can do a few tasks with it, and it's unnoticeable in a pocket. I mean, you're not going to really notice it. Yeah, so it's you know, an exercise in minimalism, and ideal if you're going out for dinner and you've got a suit on and you don't want to look offensive. Yeah, so can't believe how thin it is. It's tiny. Let's measure it up with a cadet. There you go. I mean, a cadet is small, but this one is much thinner. Yeah, so that's a really cool little knife to have in your pocket. So yeah, that's the Victorinox Bantam in silver Alox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and take care.